I got a new mic. Boys, I got this LensHopper VP83 mic for my camera that I'm using right now. So basically the audio quality in videos from here on out should be much better. How the fuck? Here we go. Here is user guide, a thing, a giant Shure sticker, warranty, more papers, and now we get to the good stuff. Look at this. Oh, it even comes with a battery. Well, that's all that's in the box, is the battery, the microphone. How do I attach it to my camera? I have no clue. I found the battery compartment. You squeeze these two buttons, wait for it to focus. Squeeze these two buttons, and it pulls out. Which way does it go? You put the battery in like this, squeeze it in there, you shut it, boom. Turn the mic on. Hi, hello? I'm gonna plug in the microphone. I'm gonna use my phone to record this part. I'm plugging my microphone, and then we're gonna see how it sounds. Here's the camera. Now we need to put the mic on the camera. So I guess it just slides in right there, right? How do I make sure that it won't come off? Oh, I screw this thing. Okay. Okay, microphone is now attached to the camera, and then we take this thing right here and we plug it into the mic jack. Okay, it's all plugged in. How does it sound? Okay, it's all plugged in. How does it sound? I think it might be a slightly decent idea to go ahead and read the user guide. So we're gonna go ahead and read the user guide. Can you guys hear me right now? Are you guys able to hear me right now? Hello? Hello? There's windscreen, low battery light, 130 hours of battery life, massive brain. I'm gonna try to use these settings, make the audio sound nice. Nice. We're now testing the audio with the actual microphone. Does it sound fantastic? It better sound fantastic. Like, I'm just saying, it needs to sound fucking amazing. I think we kind of have a good idea of how this shit works now, which is good. I love that for me. I'm testing out the microphone quality in different situations. Speak.
No, you. Ha.
Mom, talking to the camera.
Hi, Joey. What are you doing?
Talking to the camera now.
I am making kale chips with chili lime seasoning. They should be amazing.
I'm so excited. That is some sexy audio
Joey,
right there.
I understand. I need to focus on my math. Stop going, that's too loud. Too loud. When you're just laying on the couch over there watching YouTube, you're like, Alex, shut up. Go away. But now you're like, look at him cheating on his math homework. Oh no!
We also have this thing right here, right? This is a little windscreen for the microphone. It basically just makes it so that whenever you're outside, it doesn't make the windy noise like this. I will. So overall, it's really good, and I really appreciate it because nobody likes that sound. That sound sucks. So we're gonna put it on the camera, we're gonna test how it sounds, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with my phone. Okay, this is what it sounds like with the big fuzzy rat-looking thingy on it. How is it? Alex, look. I have the microphone thingy on.
For your penis cover.
Yeah. I'm gonna test wind now. I need to test the wind. Well, it was very windy out there. If you could not hear the wind, then this thing is impressive. Okay, well, that's the new microphone. So from now on in my videos, hopefully the audio quality is superb. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. I left the pages in my schedule, but they're falling